gave us his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. Amen.
What version are you going to use?
I don't know. Just like the web.
General version.
Okay.
James chapter 4 verse 10.
Wait, let us go.
That was not enough.
Humble yourself before the Lord, and He will lift you up. Amen.
My memory verse is taken from the book of Psalms 121, verse 1 to 9.
I hope we are I hope we are
1 to 9.
the next one to I'm ready. I'm the 1 to 40.
It reads, I will lift up my eyes unto the hills, from whence cometh my help. My help comes from the Lord who made heaven and earth. He will not suffer thy feet to be moved. He that keepeth thee will not slumber. Behold, he that keepeth Israel shall neither slumber nor sleep. The Lord is my keeper. The Lord is a shade upon my right hand. The sun shall not smite thee by day, nor the moon by night. The Lord shall preserve thee from all evil. He shall preserve thy soul.